So guys, this is what it looks like. It's okay. For me, it's just like a foundation that is not matte. I'm not a fan of it. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing the Dolphin skin tutorial. Now this works for me, it can work for you, it can work for everybody else, because this tutorial has been done by one of the best makeup artists in the world. She has been doing it on celebrities. I don't even know her name, but I've been reading about this and I was like, you know, this actually works. Let's give it a try. So this is what mine actually turned out like. I hope you like how it looks. I don't like how it looks. I feel it's too basic and too simple. But if you'd like to see how to get this makeup look, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing I'm going to start with is priming my skin. So just got a little bit of primer on my finger and I'm just going to smear this all over my face. So guys, next what I'm going to do is go in with my foundation and a liquid illuminator. This is the NYX one, and I'm just going to take a little bit at the back of my hand and I'm going to take some of the foundation. Now I'm going to mix the two with my beauty blender. And now I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm just running it down to my neck because I want the whole thing to blend in with my face. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's okay. For me, it's just like a foundation that is not matte. I'm not a fan of it. But let's go ahead and finish the whole face and then we can decide whether we like it or not. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I find it a bit too glowy. I didn't add that much of the illuminator into my foundation, but it's still giving me a bit of too much of glow and I'm really not feeling it. But let me go on and try and add on some concealer so maybe I can lighten the glow down a little bit. So the concealer that I'm going to be using is going to be the Revlon concealer. I'm going to add on a little few drops of my Essence concealer. And now I'm just going to blend these two guys out. Now I'm just going to add in some bronzer on the side. And some bronzer on that side. So guys, now to glow up this whole entire look, I'm just going in with a little bit of the shimmer because that's what creates and seals this whole look. So guys, looking at my under eyes, I feel like I need to set them. I know with the Dolphin Skin tutorial you're not supposed to set them, but I just feel the need to set a little bit. So guys, now I'm just going to go in with some blush. I'm just going to go in a little extra because there's so little focus on the face. So I feel we can just add in a little bit of focus into the cheeks. So guys, for the last thing is the glow. I'm just going to add a little on the areas here. I've already glowed my nose and my upper lip, so for the lip, we're going to go and keep it natural, so I'm going to carve out my lip as well as fill it in. So guys, first I'm going to be filling in my lip. So guys, the next thing I'm just going to add in some gloss. So guys, this is how it actually turned out. On a serious note, I don't really like it. I feel it's too simple and too plain for me. I like to bake and I like to cake onto my face. So this thing is very simple, but I understand that it is called a Dolphin Skin tutorial for a reason. But the main thing and the main aspect that you need to focus on in this tutorial is to mix your foundation with a little bit of a glow. If you do not have a glow that is a liquid form, go in with your normal glow that you use, just scrape out a little bit and mix it with your foundation. Other than that, the rest of the makeup tutorial is very basic and very simple, so there's nothing more to that actually. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.